first going to remove the screws for the ring light. There are 3 total. Alright, so that will remove the ring light. You can just keep that attached off to the side. And then underneath you'll have these 4 smaller screws. You're going to remove those. So in a bag you'll receive these 4 standoffs and these small screws. So it doesn't really matter which end you put it in, it'll work either way, but I tend to go towards the end that has the line just for uniformity's sake. And then you just thread it in, because once you add these to the focus mount, it's going to tighten anything that you weren't able to get by hand. So at this point, once you have all screws attached, they'll all look like that. And then you're just going to screw them into this section of the focus mount. Now you have all 4 of those screws placed in there, so you're going to go back to your long screws with the standoffs. You're going to push that through and just do these one at a time. So I typically start at the back. Make sure that you're lining up that notch to this back side, because that's the cord for your ring light. So just get that lined up as best you can. Just go ahead and loosely tighten that down just enough to make sure it's not going to come out, and that way it gives you enough space to then do the rest of them. So go ahead and line that up, drop that screw in, alright, so now we have all the standoffs attached. We're going to put our ring light back on and use those 3 screws you removed earlier and just attach it back. Alright, so now your standoffs are attached, which means that then you can put your camera and macro lens into the focus mount. And the reason for that is to drop the lighting, so that way it is better for the lens, and it also gives you more room to do adjustments